guys? Got a pretty minty 2022 CRF450R. So guys, got a pretty minty 2022 CRF450R, the RS model. So this is basically the same as the 17 to 20. It's cool that Honda still sells them because it's kind of like a budget build. Customer obviously has good taste, just based on the color scheme. I think it's badass. I love the colors. Got the full Trike kit installed. It's right on our website, bbctrikes.com. You can actually order this kit or you can just have us build it. So this customer chose to have us basically pick up a bike, put the kit on it, and ship it out to them. So we're getting this thing ready. Haul Bikes is coming. We're gonna get it ready to go. Is it coming today?
They're coming later today, yeah.
So what we'll do is we'll insert some clips of that at the end of the video. I guess to show you guys how we actually ship these out. It's an impressive rig for sure.
You see this unit right here?
It's a nice unit.
This is a nice unit. This is a real stacker trailer.
See a little close up here. So this bike has the dual exhaust. We got the factory dual exhaust on here. We modified the mid pipes just to get the angle correct. So it all starts with the custom subframe to hold the ATV plastic. More or less from here back is completely modified right down to the custom swing arm. We have the dirt bike pivots in the front, dirt bike linkage, dirt bike shock, and all TRX450R components in the back. So it starts with the billet anti-fade nut, billet brake disc guard, right to our sprocket guard. A +4 Tusk axle. There's a couple different options for axles out there. This would be the cheaper option. It does give you +4 over stock. So we're running about 50 inches wide with these 20-inch tires. We've got the beadlock wheels on here. Very nice setup. We got our folding foot pegs. Can't ride a three-wheeler without folding wider foot pegs. The stock dirt bike peg honestly only comes out to about here. So just adding that extra little bit of a width. We're using the stock dirt bike pivot, so it allows you to actually have the peg fold up if you hit anything. Alex, looks like we got the headlight on here. So we just added a switch. We got it wired into the factory battery. Got the billet triple clamps up here. So everything gets widened out in the front end. And that allows us to basically widen it out, clear the three-wheeler fender, clear the fatter tire. We got a billet hub on here with a 10-inch ATV wheel. Now guys, the older three-wheelers, they had an 11-inch wheel and even up to 12-inch on the Yamahas. We go with a 10-inch, it's lighter, easier to get, and you can get all the tires you want. All the modern sport quads have a 10-inch front tire, so it works out for us. And I guess we just kind of wrapped it up with a custom graphics kit. I mean, it's a cool theme. I think it's a pretty badass bike for sure. I like it. What do you think, Alex?
I like it. It's one of the cleaner ones. I like the all white plastics.
I feel like if you don't like this color scheme, then you're not a fan of Honda. That's just how I feel. It just brings back the 80s. It's what we grew up riding and basically obsessing over, and it's cool that we can take bikes like this and make them look like they're from the past, but with a modern twist. So we're pretty excited about it. Yeah, if you guys are interested in something similar to this, you want to get something custom built, or you want to order parts or a full kit to build a custom trike, we make kits for a handful of bikes, everything from pretty much 2000 and up Hondas. right back to some of the older CR500 parts, and of course Yamahas, Kawis, KTMs. We don't do a lot with Suzuki, sorry guys. Always got forklifts running in the background, you're gonna have that. It's like, dude, it's a Unadilla National out here with forklifts. I think we should just drive ours up and down the road too, just to be cool.
I mean,
look at this.
So there's
what is this, like a 20-foot plate? It's like a workbench out of that. I want to make a workbench.
Is that OSHA approved?
It's not going to fit on the water jet, but it's a nice flat table. Anyway, so you can head right under our website, bbctrikes.com. Again, we got all the kits and parts and bits and bobs that you'd ever want to make a modern three-wheeler. If you guys like big wheels, go to bbcbigwheels.com. But most importantly, if you don't have the time, most guys don't have the time. Most of them are mechanically inclined, or if you're not mechanically inclined, you don't feel comfortable building something like this, but you know how to ride, hit us up, shoot us an email, bbctrikes@gmail.com. If you're ready to do a full build, it's over 20 grand. It could be under 20, it could be 13 to 20. It just depends on what you get. Used bike, new bike, brand. Just estimate around 20K to build something like this. We'll get you set up, we'll get you a quote, and what do we got? RS1 coming out?
Yeah, stand.
There's just all kinds of background noise today, but it's fine. We're used to that. That's why we film outside. And the wife's getting amped up today, guys. Whoa!
Whoa.
They're here.
They're here.
They're here. It's a little bigger than the stacker, but you're gonna have that. There's Scumps.
Taking a field trip.
Taking a field trip.
Oh, it's hot.
It's like, yep, go get the sunglasses. Dude, the sun here is like staring at a welder.
You see this unit right here?
It's a nice unit.
This is a nice unit. This is a real stacker trailer.
So the real question is, why doesn't our tailgate do that?
Because we have a lift inside of ours.
Okay.
I guess.
Yeah, it's like a car lift.
That'd be a nice idea though. Take the lift out, put in a nice flat spot, just high enough for a bike,
Yes.
and make our tailgate do this.
I think it has to happen.
It's a lot nicer.
He's way up there. I can't even see him.
Like all the way in the front too,
Yep.
probably. Oh!
Well, it's Friday. It's time to get out of here.
It's time to skedaddle.
So yeah.
Right, I got a cold beer calling my name. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what else you guys want to see. I don't know how to put this. I want to give you guys what you want.
Yes.
We also want to do what we enjoy. It's all the same, right?
It's a combination, man.
Combination of both.
It's a combination. All right, see you guys in the next one.